Hello, my name is Carla. I'm a payroll officer. I'm a wife and we're a household of 2. I love clean house all the time. It just makes me happy. So what I love about the DEEBOT T50 PRO OMNI is the Omni station. So you've got the clean water and then the dirty water, and then you've also got a section for the floor cleaner. And I love how it self-cleans. It is such an amazing feature and I love it. It just saves so much time, don't need to worry in between cleans. I've had it for about a month now, haven't had to empty it yet, which is great. So it's just that one less thing to worry about when you want to put it on multiple times a week or multiple times a day. So one of the features I love about the DEEBOT is how slimline it is. So it's only 81 millimeters, which is actually smaller than a lipstick. So it'll fit under all your beds and furnitures and couches. Another feature that I really love is the extended arm of the vacuum, and it comes out and goes across all the skirting. So it's just making sure it's not missing any spots on the floor. So I found that as a really, really cool feature. So previously I did have a robo vacuum, but I really didn't use it much for mopping. I mostly only use it for vacuum, just I wasn't really happy with the quality of the mop. But it would usually take me anywhere between 3 to 4 hours to spend to do a proper deep clean of downstairs and upstairs. Another feature that I love is so many options on the app that you can choose. So you can do just a vacuum, you can do vacuum first then a mop, or you can do vacuum and mop together. It'll actually lift up the mop pads to make sure that the carpet or the floor mat doesn't get wet. And then also being able to adjust the wetness. So because I have laminate floors, I can adjust it to not have it fully wet. So obviously these are still water resistant, but I just want to make sure that I'm not putting too much water on the floor. So I think it's a really great feature. I think the DEEBOT is very intelligent. Obviously it uses AI technology for any obstacles in the home. With the Cherished 2.0, it goes along all the corners. So things like my dining table, it'll go around the dining chairs if I don't put them up, if I just want a simple clean around the house. So it'll see, obviously with the camera features, that it will see that there's something in front and it'll just go around it and vacuum around as normal. The mapping was really easy and I was actually surprised how quick it actually mapped the home. So I was expecting it to take hours, and I think it only took like 36 minutes downstairs, so it's pretty impressive. I think it's doing a really good job at cleaning my house. Considering I have long hair and I seem to shed all over the house, I haven't had to clean the DEEBOT since I've got it. So that's due to the Zero Tangle 2.0 feature. So it's really good because in my previous one I've had to clean out the roller multiple times since using it because my hair seems to get all tangled around it, and with the DEEBOT I haven't had to do that. When people come home from work, the last thing they want to do is clean the house, but obviously it's a daily task that most people have to do. So having that time back to do something for myself, it's like watching my Netflix, having a tea on the lounge and relaxing, and I just think more time for yourself is just such a really important thing in our busy lives really. So the ECOVACS vacuum is more than a DEEBOT. It's definitely now considered part of our family. I think it's so versatile to be used across different homes, whether they're double story, single story, whether you have kids, pets, or just, if you're a household of 2 like myself, I would recommend it to anyone. I just think it is such a useful tool to have in the home, so you can put it on multiple times a day, multiple times a week, and I feel like my house has been a lot cleaner because of how easy it is to use.